Up to the time, down to the minute, round to the hour. Bright Spark in the building with another video. Now, I mean, how y'all doing? Hope y'all having a great day, great evening, or whatever time of day this video reaches you. So today's video is all about Jamaicans working abroad, man. Man. Now, as a precursor to what I'm about to say, I just want to say that, Jamaicans contribute a whole lot to the global workforce. And the work that Jamaicans do out here, it is incredible work. Other nationalities, other nationals, they look up to us for the work that we put in as Jamaicans. But behind or beyond all of that, I just want to say, man, Jamaicans are so fucking ridiculous, bro. Excuse me. Jamaicans are so fucking ridiculous, bro. It hurts till you have to laugh, man. Like Jamaicans, they play so much mind games amongst each other out here in the world, bro. Like you have to just sit back and look at what is going on around you and try not to you have to try not to react to stuff that they do, bro. For example, when I first started working abroad, bro, I came under a lot of pressure from these other Jamaicans. But I'm tough. I'm tough, and I knew what I wanted. So I wrote it out. I did what I had to do. I buckled in and I did the work. But I'm telling you, man, these other Jamaicans out here working, bro, they come out in the world with this crab in the barrel mentality, just like you see it in the Jamaican sphere, just like it is when you're in Jamaica. They come out here with the same mentality, bro. It's like you just have to experience it to know what I'm talking about. Since I've been working abroad, I've seen many Jamaicans come and go. Many Jamaicans come and go, bro. They were too soft for this. I have to say that they're drifters because they come looking for greener pastures, and what they encountered was far from that. Greener pasture is not when you reach and far and start working. The greener pasture is what you're gonna make out of working in foreign, out of working abroad. But our other Jamaican co-workers, bro, like it's like they want to get you out, man. They don't want you to come and do better than them. They don't want you to get highlighted more than how they're getting highlighted. I'm letting you know, man, it's not easy working out here amongst Jamaicans. You gotta be tough, you gotta be firm, you gotta be resilient. I went through a lot of stuff when I started working abroad, man. And I buckled in and I did the work, and all of them, they just fade away, bro. They just fade away after a while. They saw that, hey, this guy, you can't get him out. He's here to stay. And that's when I started getting my respect, bro. So the crab in barrel mentality is not only in Jamaica, it's more when you get abroad. It's like they want to be the ones abroad coming on vacation in Jamaica, leaving the foreign land on vacation, in Jamaican spending foreign currencies around you. They don't want you to be spending foreign currencies as well. Because you know the mighty dollar is the power, man. It's what the ladies are after. Once you reach the airport, you're what the ladies see. So these other co-workers, bro, from Jamaica, you just gotta make up your mind to just get over it, bro, and do the work. That's what you're here for. Do the work, bro. You can't focus on these guys. These guys are just mind players. You're gonna come under a lot of pressure. And if you don't know what you want, then the grass won't be greener on the other side. So this is gonna be the first in a lot of video series that I'll be dropping on this topic. So stay tuned, man. This is only the beginning of the stories, man, in working abroad, bro. For now, all I gotta say is just stick to what you're doing. Remain focused, and you'll get through, bro. You'll get through. Trust me.